sobrang sama. Pangatlong araw na to.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hello mga Zooks! Finally, nakalabas na ako ng bahay. Bibili ako ng gamot. Kasi until now, masakit pa rin yung tiyan ko. Nakakaranas ako lately ng sobrang sakit ng tiyan. Alam nyo yung parang may gas pero hindi nyo ma-burp, hindi nyo mailabas. Ganun yung naging problema ko lately. And then, I'm always at the toilet. Sobrang sama. Pangatlong araw na to. Actually, nung nagsagala ako nun sa Bulacan, yung nag-Reyna Elena ako, doon ko una siyang naramdaman. Buti na lang nakisama yung tiyan ko noon kasi isipin nyo, naglalakad ako tapos masakit yung tiyan ko. Pero at least hindi ako nag-toilet. Kaya thankful ako. So ngayon, hanap ko ng gamot kasi nagpa-check up na ako sa doktor. Sinabi ko yung nararamdaman ko. And may nireseta siyang gamot. At ako naman ay papunta na sa Mercury Drug. Kasi hindi siya basta-basta nabibili. Kasi usually, nag-order lang ako sa Southstar, sa Grab, sa Watson. Ito daw kailangan sa Mercury. So yan, papunta ako ngayon. Kasama si Andy. Drive ako.
Just don't know where is the
Hindi namin sure kung saan yung Mercury.
I think I know the one, but I'm just...
Lapit doon sa Southstar. O sa Tustan.
I think I can turn right here.
Doon ko na mag-turn right sa kabila. Para sure. Hanapin namin siya. Hindi lang ako makakain ngayon ng mabuti.
Sure it's right there on the corner.
Because every time I eat, nilalabas ko rin siya agad. As in, masakit yung tiyan ko. Nakakainis. Buti na lang 2 days ako walang work. And tomorrow may work ako. Kaya kailangan gumaling na ako.
May taping.
Parang may taping ako bukas. Update ko kayo guys kung ano man ang nabili kong gamot. BRB.
Alright, it's dinner time guys. Diana's still not feeling that well. So we ordered some healthy stuff. We got here, never know how to say it. Hainanese. Hainanese chicken. And it looks really, really good. Smells good. It's got some cucumber there on the bottom. Then it also came with some vegetables. Are you gonna eat the vegetables? And then I got some lemon chicken here. Tonight we ordered from Tiong Baru. That's Singaporean food pala. And then for the kids, we got them some donuts with cheese from Lola Lena's. Ayun. Are you eating it, Mimi? Masarap? Parang Mimi likes it. Of course you can. May cheese sa loob ba? So Mimi's just here eating her food as well. Sarap? Mimi, masarap? Yeah, good. It's a good.
Hello mga Zooks! So ito, meron na tayong in-order sa Amazon kasi alam niyo doon na ako umorder ng ibang gamit kasi minsan sa IKEA wala nito. And hopefully, itong dumating na to ay yung tamang sukat na ina-expect ko. Kasi before, nung umorder ako ng ganito, maliit. Naalala mo yung bath mat natin sa Australia?
No,
Akala ko malaki, tapos ang liit.
tapos it was like parang hand towel lang.
So, bath mat din to.
Is it? Parang hindi.
Bath mat to!
Parang mabigat.
Kasi dalawa, tsaka pangkape natin. Huwag mo, baka mabasag. Ano yan? Babasagin yung nandyan.
Check it. Okay, what was the last time I did this? Help myself. Kasi may wait. Isa pa.
Okay. Oh, see? Ito muna. ano to eh, special tong cup na to. Kasi may initials natin.
talaga?
Mm.
Personalized pala.
Initials lang. So, yours is letter A, mine is letter J. For joy. Kasi wala kaming coffee mug. So, hindi ako pwedeng
Yeah, you can't coffee anymore. We'll see who got one. Sorry guys for the
Maingay, umuulan.
super loud rain. This is
Ang
your-
ganda. Sa'yo to, this letter A. Look.
it's J everywhere. Ito J.
Diba? Ganda. Ganda ng ano, no?
Ganda. Actually, maganda yung quality pala.
Ganda ng quality.
It's like, and it's big.
You like it.
Yes.
Clear.
I like sharing big.
Ito na.
My favorite. I'm so excited.
So excited for the Batman. Ang maliit na. Gusto natin.
Maliit ata, babe.
Dalawa yan eh. Yan sa kids yan. Sa atin ito yung black.
See.
Sana hindi. Sana kasha lang.
Parang okay
kasha.
naman.
Oh, perfect.
Para sa toilet.
Para sa toilet.
Yeah. Parang
Yeah.
kasha naman.
Kasha, no?
You remember the kids' toilet. It's not as much room, diba?
Kasha yan.
Kasha.
Ito yung isa. Gusto ko yung pink sa kanila eh. Tapos ito naman yung sa toilet namin. Parehas lang din. So bumili lang ako ng tag-isa para I know the size. Yo, so happy. Gamitin natin yun ngayon.
And we did actually open up a couple more things.
Hindi namin na
But I think we might not show that to the full house tour. But you're
Oh.
probably gonna see it anyway.
Pakonti-konti.
Yeah, may konting parang sneak peek sa ibang vlog. Basta we have some paintings that arrived. And we still have a few things to finish. We still have paintings, some pots, some plants. Ano pa?
Ano lang.
We want to put some paintings dito din.
Yeah.
So we still have a few things that we want to get done, and we haven't done the balcony. So the balcony is probably,
Last.
well, the problem is we don't have enough storage space right now. So we have to figure out that problem
Yung mga
first.
maleta namin nakalagay siya sa balcony. So, alam niyo naman na tumira kami sa hotel for matagal na buwan. Kaya ngayon, ang dami naming maleta.
I think we have like 10 hanging out, and then we have all these boxes downstairs. So yeah, and now we're just starting to receive stuff from Mommy Eileen's house.
No, kasi
So-
yung nung lumipat naman kami sa Australia, marami rin kaming naiwan sa mami ko na mga damit, paper scope, mga kung anik-anik,
Yeah,
sapatos.
dami.
Ayan, so pinapadala namin pa isa-isa para malagay namin sa cabinets namin. So, yun lang. We're so happy to share kung ano yung nakita ko na naman sa Amazon. Ayoko na talaga mag-shopping.
Talaga? Every night I look over. That's why I always ask you, bakit gising ka pa? Yeah, nakascroll
Just
ka.
checking. Kung ano yung kailangan na, hindi natin to kailangan.
Puro,
Hindi mo to
puro
kailangan.
add to cart.
Hindi mo to kailangan.
Well, I need it.
Oh. Ito,
I can live without.
babe. Pagka-shower mo yung paa mo, imposible hindi mo yung kailangan. Lalagay ko na.